BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So about 6 months ago, I posted a video letting you know that after 28 years, Microsoft is removing WordPad from Windows. And as mentioned in that video, which will be in the end screen, WordPad is no longer being updated and will be removed in a future release of Windows. Now, this future release of Windows, according to an updated support document, is Windows 11 24H2. And according to the support document, Microsoft will not be shipping Windows 11 24H2, which is this year's annual feature update, with WordPad. And if we head over to that support document over on Microsoft Docs and we look at the deprecated features for Windows Client, and we scroll down quite significantly down the page to where we get to this section. It says WordPad. So that was the original announcement on September the 1st, 2023. WordPad is no longer being updated and will be removed in a future release of Windows. So here's the update. March 2024. WordPad will be removed from all editions of Windows, starting in Windows 11 version 24H2 and Windows Server 2025. And what Microsoft recommends, once WordPad has been completely removed, we recommend Microsoft Word for rich text documents like .doc and .rtf, and Windows Notepad for plain text documents like .txt. And as I've been mentioning, Microsoft has been giving Notepad quite a lot of attention, obviously now to be used in place of WordPad, which is more a legacy feature. This has been around for decades in Windows, and it's on the deprecated features list as part of like Cortana and Tips and WordPad. So I have been posting over the last couple of months regarding deprecated features of Windows that Microsoft is getting rid of in the OS in up and coming releases and so on, and to some extent has already deprecated a lot of these features. And apparently in Windows 11 24H2, if you do a search for WordPad, it no longer appears in the search results, and those builds are what we would be looking at now in the Canary and the Dev channels in the Insider program, as I have been posting. That's more or less the features we could expect to see roll out with 24H2, possibly starting its release in September, October this year, 2024. So currently, although it's still available in Windows 11 and Windows 10, in Windows 11 and also Windows 10, it's not being supported anymore. And although in the Insider program, doing a search does not bring up WordPad, you can still search for it in the stable version of Windows 11 version 23H2. So there we go, WordPad, and you can open up that legacy WordPad document viewer and so on. And if you are wondering, it's not supported anymore, but WordPad will remain available on Windows 10 devices until the OS reaches its end of support on the 14th of October, according to Microsoft, next year, 2025. So although it's going to be around a little bit longer on Windows 10, although it's unsupported, starting in a couple of months with version 24H2, that will be the end, and it will actually be removed from Windows 11 devices with this year's annual feature update. And obviously, I'll post and let you guys know when that does happen. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.